Well, good morning. Perfect morning. This morning, I bet it's 70 degrees. Wind slightly blowing. It's just perfect. I want to give you a quick garden update. The garden continues to do about as well as I've seen this year. It is just really flourishing. This is my red beefsteak. As you can see, it's up about 5 foot at this point. Sorry if my dog's whining, she wanting in. Nice tomato coming in there, very nice. This is my Roma, and I actually have one I'm gonna pull because it's got a little blemish on it, but it is starting to blush, and I understand, and I've done this before, they will ripen up fine in a box. Several more, not quite blushing yet, but several more on the plant. Let's take a look at this plant. Do we need any suckering or anything? I'm gonna have to prune it back some because it's getting a little unwielding, but overall this plant is doing really well. That's that beefsteak. Then I also have this better bush. Now I've got another one I'm gonna pull off because I'm gonna be out of town for a couple days. Not 100%, but if I put it in that box, it'll be riper in a couple days. So let's look at the rest of the plant. Got a few more blushes, a few more tomatoes coming along. So doing very well, very pleased. Here's that cherry tomato. Once again, this one's now exceeded height. It's more than 6 foot tall. I'm 6 foot tall and I'm looking up. Lots of babies. Lots of bloom still. Color's great. This plant is doing really well. And I do have some blushing. So I'm going to take some of them this evening or tomorrow morning before I leave out of town and put in the box. Let them finish ripening. So it's finally here. We are starting to get a harvest. Very pleased. This one's starting to try to come out of the box some, so I'll probably cut it back some, but you know, I want to let it flourish as much as it possibly can. There's Clifford, as I said. Every time I'm out here, he wants to get involved and make sure he's seen. Hey, I'm out here working. Any of y'all interested in those robot mowers? I got several videos. Check them out. Not pushing it, but you might be interested, especially if you're over 60. All right, here's that pink girl. It hasn't flourished like the others. I'd say it's about 3.5 foot tall, but it does have some nice starts coming up, a couple of nice tomatoes, but not a whole lot of babies. And I do have a little bit of insect damage down here, so I'll probably prune a few of the limbs. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it's not flourishing like the others. So I don't know if the cucumbers are taking the energy or what exactly it is. But look at these cucumbers, good grief. I just continually have to keep moving the vines because they're trying to get out of the box. So I got them running up this trellis, I got them running up that net, running up this cable. Lots of babies, a few that's starting to actually put on some growth. But lots of baby plants, lots of blooms still. One of the biggest cucumbers is right there. So it's already pickling size if I was pickling, but I'll still probably pick that one before I go out of town. It is edible now, it's ready to go. And this is on that Space Master. The one in the middle was the burpless. I haven't seen any big ones on there, but I do have several that are coming along pretty good. The plant is flourishing. I've took some of the lower branches out to give it some room to try to keep stuff off the ground. And then let's look at this straight 8. As you can see, they're trying to come out of my box, so I keep telling them to go back so they'll go up. This one's trying to get out. I'm just gonna tell him, hey, I want you to go over here. So I have to pull his leaf out because he's holding on. Anyway, encourage him to go up that way. The straight 8, I didn't see much on it. There are some babies. There's at least one nice one. So that was a surprise because I look at this almost every day and I hadn't noticed that one before. So stand corrected. The straight 8 is doing well. So that's pretty much it for today. I am curious to see how your garden's coming along. So if you would, give me a like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing these videos to you and just see how the community's doing. Until the next video, y'all take care.